Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about Klarna. So how do you use Klarna? So what is Klarna and how does it work? So we're going to discuss about all these things. So let's get into this video. All right, so Klarna. So Klarna is actually a buy now pay later app. Okay, you can buy in store as well as online. So how does it work? So what happens is that, okay, firstly you can sign up to Klarna. So you can use their app. You can just scan this code and use their app, or you can sign in on your web browser as well. So either way you can sign in. So if you want to create your account, so all you need is your email address, your security number and phone numbers, and also a legitimate bank account. So you definitely need a bank account, not prepaid cards, in order to use Klarna. So you need all these. So these are the things that you need in order to sign in. So you can just hit on sign up and then proceed with your email address, and then you can easily create your account. So that's once you create the account, you can start shopping. So that's basically how it is. Then when it comes to payment option, like how it works. So for example, how it works. So what how Klarna works is that you can make a purchase, whether online or in store, and you can make the payment in. There are two options like Klarna provides. One, okay, so one once again how it works. So one is that you can pay in full, okay, which is quite popular. You can just pay in full, which means like if you're making a purchase, all right, if you're making a purchase, and then you can actually divide the payment of your purchase of your purchase into four payments, all right, and then you can complete your purchase. For example, if you are purchasing something, let's say for $100, so what you're going to do is that $100 will be divided into four payments with each fortnight, all right, for in a fortnightly payment, so $25 each. So what happens is that the first payment, which is the first $25, will be paid immediately on the day when you make the purchase. So whether you're buying it online or in store, or once you purchase it, your first payment will you should make your first payment, the first $25. Then the remaining payments will be deducted like under direct debit every fortnight until you complete the four installments. So that's the most common payment method, which is pay in full. And next thing is like the financing. All right, you can use financing. So financing is actually it's more so one thing I forgot to mention is that when you choose pay in full, you do not it is completely interest free. So there is no interest or anything associated with it. All right, so so that's one thing. But when you choose for financing, then what happens is that also if you choose the pay in full option, like Karna does a soft credit check just to make sure that you normally pay your bills on time. So just it's a soft check, and it doesn't affect your credit check at all. So that's when you choose the pay in full option. If you choose the financing option, then there's a hard credit check will be conducted just to make sure that you'll be making the payments on time, and also to evaluate like the amount that they can offer you. All right, and also there will be interest to be paid on financing options. So there will be um, interest where they will charge you interest. So normally it's a bit high, and also if you missed any payment, then it will affect your credit check. All right, so those things keep in mind if you go for financing option. But most probably pay in full is the best option that you can go, because it's pretty easy, and then it's a good option. So and it's completely interest free. So these are the payment options that you can use with Klarna. All right, and then Klarna. So you can use Klarna in store and online. So for example, if you're going to purchase in store, all right, if you're going to purchase in store, what happens is that you can look for, if you click on shops, all right, you can look for shops that accepts Klarna. All right, so for example, For example, if you click on Klarna stores here, so this will show you all the stores, okay, all the stores based on your location that accepts Klarna. So you can visit like any of these stores here that's mentioned here. So you can visit any of these stores and then you can make your purchase there. You can select an item, make and purchase. So when you're making the payment, so what happens is that if you're paying using Klarna, so what happens sometimes, what they will do is that the store will issue you a one-time card with the specific amount that you want or that you choose, and then this card will be placed in your digital wallets, in your wallet, and you can use this to make your payments in store as well as online as well. It's something similar to a gift card. So you can use, so you can browse through and choose any shop that you want to, and then you can use Klarna in any of these shops. That's one. And also, if you are planning to purchase online, you can always use the app or here, and then you can use the app and also search for the stores that you want to make the purchase or you want to shop. So just open up the shop, and then you can do your purchase online. Make your order. So it's pretty much similar to how we normally use eBay and Amazon. So it's similar to that. All right. So these are the ways how you can purchase in Klarna. And apart from these, Klarna also offers some features. For example, like deals. Like if you click on deals here, so you'll be able to find coupons and deals which you can browse through here, and then you can, like, if you like something, and you can just choose that and then make your purchases. So you can find a lot of deals and everything here. So you can if you click on shop deal, then you'll be able to use these deals here when you do the shop. So there's quite a lot of deals and coupons here, so which you can use. It's pretty good based on each store here. All right, so that's one thing. And also, what you can do, you can also uh, link there's also a rewards club where you can also link your loyalty cards and everything. So if you want, you can link your other loyalty cards on Klarna, and then you can get discounts while when you use those cards on Klarna as well. And also, when you install the app and when you join the rewards program, you can earn points and everything, which you can redeem later. Like, you will get points which you can redeem when you make a purchase and everything. So that's how it works. So it's pretty cool to use that. So some good features of Klarna. And also, there's always a customer support. If you have any issues with returns or everything, you can always contact the customer support to make your return. So if any issues with your purchase or with your payments, so it's here. You can use and there's also a chat option, a 24 hours on chat. So it's pretty easy. So you can straight away get in touch with the customer support team to rectify your issues. So um, that's one thing. And then so these are some of the cool things that Klarna can do, and it's a pretty easy and a good app to use, especially especially when you need assistance when you need financial assistance when making a purchase. Especially the pay info option is quite a very good option to use when you are making a purchase or purchase something. So that's pretty much it is. So I hope this information is very helpful to you all. So I will see you all in another video soon.